Welcome to the Chiko and Roko website. Today, we are going to show you how to view your figurines in AR and how to make cool content with them to share on your social networks. A list of devices that support AR is available in the description of this video. First, select the toy that you want to view in AR in the Collection section of the site. Please note that the figurine must be opened directly from the browser window. The AR viewing function is not supported if you've been redirected from Instagram or other applications. After pressing the View in AR button, you need to place the figurine on a well-lit surface. If the gift does not appear right away, try moving your phone around or choose a brighter surface. You should also check your internet connection. After the art toy appears on the screen, you will be able to change its size, rotate it by 180 degrees, or take photos and videos with it. To create a photo, click on the button that appears on the screen. If you want to record a video, hold down the button and then release it when you are done recording. Share your content with Chiko and Roko on Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, and VK with the Chiko Roko and Chiko Roko fan art hashtags.